Today I will explain the IELTS speaking test in a simple and complete way. The IELTS speaking test is a face-to-face interview with an examiner. The test takes about 11 to 14 minutes. The speaking test has 3 parts. The test is recorded. The examiner will assess your English speaking ability. Part 1. Introduction and Interview. Part 1 lasts about 4 to 5 minutes. The examiner will ask general questions about your life. For example, your hometown, your studies, your work, your hobbies, your daily routine. You should give short but clear answers. Do not answer with only yes or no. Example: bad answer. Yes, I like reading. Better answer: yes, I like reading because it helps me relax and learn new things. Speak naturally and confidently. Part 2. Long turn. The examiner will give you a topic card. This is called a cue card. You will have 1 minute to prepare. You can write notes on the paper. Then, you must speak for 1 to 2 minutes. Cue card example: describe a person you admire. You should say who the person is, how you know this person, why you admire this person, and explain how this person influenced you. Tips for Part 2. Speak continuously. Do not stop speaking. Use your preparation time well. Make short notes. If you forget something, continue speaking. Part 3. Discussion. The examiner will ask more difficult questions related to Part 2. You must give longer and deeper answers. Example: why do people admire famous people? Do you think role models are important? Your answers should include ideas, reasons, examples. IELTS speaking band score. Your speaking is scored in 4 areas: fluency and coherence. This means how smoothly you speak. Try to speak without long pauses. Organize your ideas clearly. Lexical resource. This means your vocabulary. Use different words. Avoid repeating the same words. Grammatical range and accuracy. Use correct grammar. Try to use different sentence types. Simple and complex sentences are both good. Pronunciation. Speak clearly. Pronounce words correctly. The examiner must understand you easily. You do not need a British or American accent. Clear pronunciation is enough. Important tips: speak naturally. Speak like a normal conversation. Do not try to memorize answers. Memorized answers can lower your score. Give full answers. Always give complete answers. Add reasons and examples. Example: bad answer. My favorite food is rice. Better answer: my favorite food is rice because it is traditional in my country and I eat it almost every day. Stay calm. Relax during the test. The examiner is friendly. They want you to do well. Practice speaking. Practice speaking English every day. Speak with friends or record yourself. Practice common topics. Final advice: speak clearly. Answer all questions. Give full answers. Stay confident. With practice, you can achieve a high band score.